Hello techies, welcome to my channel Techie Tech Place, and today we have brought very new update regarding this modular series Mojo new programming language called Mojo programming, which is very interesting, quite interesting for the AI developers. Suppose you wanted to be a developer in 2023 AI developer, then you must learn about the Python, and on top of this Python you must learn about the Mojo programming language as well, which is going to be a future changing really is very demanding language, which is going to be, that's why you please focus on this one. Welcome to this world of Mojo programming language. What is Mojo? You can go through this my official website here. We are going to bring a lot of basic tutorials over here so that we can explain to you the basic concept, how to download the Mojo basic libraries, SDK modules, and what you can achieve using these programming languages. Okay, I'm going to explain you as per the industry standards which we are going to learn. Okay, you can go through this introduction, what is this model basically Mojo module it is, what is Mojo programming language basically. And then after, today the main agenda for this meeting is to explain about the installation of the SDK libraries which is recently released by Modular. Okay, now to do so, what you need to do, you need to go to developers website of Modular, and developers website is developer.modular.com, as you can see by the screen. And there we have they have already given the different version of systems, different type of systems installation procedures which you can use to install locally to do those local setups. Like, take an example of installation on the Linux. They are the Linux installation steps you can follow. The 5 steps are very easy steps. As soon as you follow, libraries will get installed into your local system. And then after, there is a setup on the MacBook. This is recently launched within a couple of days, 2 to 3 days back. It was not there. This SDK was not there for this Apple Silicon based laptops. Since my laptop is Apple based Silicon based laptop only, that's why I already followed all these 5 steps and it went through. And then after, for you, suppose if you're using a MacBook Intel based, you can download it to Intel based as well. And then after, there is a Windows setup as well, but in Windows setup I don't think so it will be loading on this Windows. You need to install the Ubuntu in your Windows environment as well, and then after you can do the Mojo programming setup. Okay, now you can see my screen. Just I will switch back to this setup on the MacBook using this Apple Silicon based steps. Okay, first step is to install the homebrew. You need to install the homebrew, do the setup for this homebrew. You might be knowing, if you're using Apple laptop, you might be knowing what is homebrew. And then after, you need to just follow this how to install the CLI using this command, curl command. Just you need to get the actual software's location from this location using this authentication tokenization mechanism. Once you hit this command, it starts the procedure. Here you can see my screen. The homebrew update is going on. All the formulas you'll get update here. And then after, once it is updated, then after homebrew is get updated, then after modular installation process starts here. It will get downloaded. The modular CLI will get installed into our local system. Once it is installed successfully, then what we need to do, we need to install the Mojo libraries. And to install the Mojo libraries, everything, all the libraries are getting downloaded here. Once everything is downloaded, what you need to do, you need to just install the Mojo library. And in middle, you can see I've already installed the Mojo libraries here. You can see my local system here. Everything I've just installed here, Mojo libraries as well. Okay, just to download the Mojo library, here you can see I just checked where is modular. I just checked the where is modular, and then after I set the here you can see I just modular underscore home, I set the environment variable here. And once the environment variable is set here, we need to install this modular, install Mojo. But suppose, because this installation is tokenized mechanism, actually you need to get a token. To get the token, there is a playground here. Actually you can generate the token from the playground. What you need to do here, you just go here and click on this, and then after generate the token. Once you generate the token, it will give you the token. Just take it up, and then after, what you need to do, you need to just put it here, authentication mechanism, the token here. Okay, and then as soon as it is, you will enter the command. Then after installation, the Mojo installation starts here, and then after it goes through here, installation goes through. Once all the installation goes through, all the libraries are downloaded. Here you can see the Mojo installed successfully, and then after virtual environment is also created into this location, and then after you have to set the environment variables, and then after you can execute your Mojo programs in local system. In going further, I'm going to bring a lot of very interesting videos for you as well. Meanwhile, you can since it is a very initial step, a lot of development is going on, so you can also follow this step so that you will be, and please subscribe our channel so that we can bring a lot of tutorials on this. Thank you so much.